pon boma truck silveta towar kikek angden chepharlep ha. Digital News Conference 2023 arnisivet apharman kapadopon. Komentuar ni tong munit atum kachingkoy pune thang chiputhek the. Sansi pini Rajasthan ben kewang a truck RJ11 GC1724 Talskewan boma gari Bukuria Police Station Kiparlo silveta towar kikek along pupai kelang nojok chepharlep ha. Gari kate warabang pen kipachini pona tengke bangsa harmu imphalan si ponjipu. Bonta wang bom unahut tuwar ke kek along aprang gari so aphan kirayamat khangun ederamat chipharle ponpa. Nonamat Bukulia Police Station atum si bangso kachingkoya truck aphan chipari deng ponlo. Pulunni pen pingchorong report Birta Life. Phaikuni arni Karbi-Anglong Digital News Forum ahin pen arnisi apharman KANCH RESORT along Digital News Conference 2023 paman pon. Kachingthor pika kaila pen demokrasia dead along media tumarul thepi kachok Karbi-Anglong Digital News Forum amahang pathek dead pen non puthot Digital News Conference 2013 apharman KANCH RESORT along paman pon. Pini bangsa conference along ki ongdung Digital News ahembang Karbi-Anglong la pen West Karbi-Anglong pen chitong dunsi RDGP pon. Bangsa along lohia man pen Dr. Lilia Terangpi Assistant Professor Advocate Salvation Timun Legal Advisor KADNF atum chitong dunsi media atum ki claim akam akisung lapen kachere pon wek nang jia lam akam lapen abidi sore he hu than pon difu pen Birta Life apherangke Abraham Tiso report.
Based on authenticity, originality. Definitely, we are in the stage where the social media will overpower the media house. And therefore, I, just want to, say that, we need, as a media house, you all need to discuss some of the important pressing issues in the society. Like why there are a lot of disorganization in our society, or there are so many pressing needs in our society that can be taken up by the media house. Seminars can be organized, workshop can be organized, symposium, a lot of interactions can be done so that the problem in our society will be solved through social media. So with this, I will wind up my message. Thank you.
Digital News Conference along my Catholic on my hand to the high, Lapel, Secretary the high, Lapel to Kachoka, special guest Dr. Lily Ayataranki, Lapel Tumlo, Legal Advisor, Timong Sangho Kai, Lapel, West East Pen, now the Tondu, Media House, Lapel Media Porting, Apanelli Pen. Suri ka dompa jirigo nili eke news ke keklo yonon dawelan la penili panda bidisa unang pe koklo nili news ahin gelam ahem bu bidong news en gelam ke teklo ko bangali la pen bidisore isi ini nang than nunji busda lan ke tek orgali bonda li tum kache pare isa po nili desi ini nang tum pen kache pare isa nili tanang kan niko mache tanda igna